Welcome to the Icetro tap assembly setup. Here we have the Icetro machine. We're going to start by pulling out the tap pin, slowly removing the tap handle, and then you should be able to push down the tap spring and tap plunger. If you need to assemble the tap plunger, just pop the O-ring over the tap plunger. Then you get the bottom tap seal and push it into the bottom, making sure that it's nice and clean and dry in there. And then I use the palm of my hand to sort of move in a screwing motion until it sits pretty flush. Next, we're going to get our food grade lubricant and add it on the tap O-ring and bottom tap seal. This will allow it to smoothly glide in the machine. You want to make sure that you can see the front of the tap plunger. We're going to pop the spring on top of it and push it up into place. The next step is to put the tap handle just easily to slot in. You might just need to push the plunger up so it lines up and the tap pin will go through. Thank you for watching.